I would say that any profession is gender agnostic. Have you seen the movie Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl? तो उसमें एक डायलॉग है, जब प्लेन को फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसे कौन चला रहा है तो तुम्हें क्यों फर्क पड़ता है. I think that is so true for financial services. And I would say for any sector, it's about what you want to achieve and what you bring to the table.
Lights, camera, and action. Welcome to our IMA YouTube channel and fourth edition of IMA Women Conclave, where we are celebrating women who are making leadership bolder, brighter, and stronger. Today, we roll out red carpet for our special guest of honor, Ms. Lakshmi Iyer, Group President Investments and CEO at Bajaj Alternates. With over 25 years of experience in the financial services industry, celebrated as Asia's one of the most influential women in asset management, Lakshmi brings more to the table than just number crunching. She's a pure connoisseur of food, a powerhouse blend of empathy and expertise. So let's unravel her journey and investment mantras that also rival a box office hit. So Lakshmi, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much.
So just wanted to understand, how do you blend the classic heroes of equities and fixed income with the emerging stars from alternates to create a box office winning portfolio?
I think one needs to be a master chef to be able to do that, is what people think. But मैं तो बोलती हूँ, we need to be just an आम आदमी, have a lot of common sense, and blending के लिए, and like we take the example of chai, and not that I'm a big chai fan, but I have a lot of friends इनको chai पसंद है. So some of them like their chai kadak, which is like really strong. तो उसमें दूध कम होता है और उसमें चाय की पत्ती ज़्यादा होती है. And people like me like it reverse. तो आई वुड से दैट ये जो ब्लेंड है वो अपने अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से होता है, एंड इन द पोर्टफोलियो दिस टेस्ट इज व्हाट इज द गोल दैट यू हैव. तो एक बार अगर आपने ठान ली कि ये मेरा डेस्टिनेशन है, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, तो उसको आप बैकवर्क करके यू विल हैव डिसाइड कि इक्विटी का खांचा इतना होना चाहिए. लाइकवाइज, सो व्हेन आई से कड़क पोर्टफोलियो बनना चाहिए, व्हिच मींस अ वेरी रोबस्ट पोर्टफोलियो व्हिच हैज अमेजिंग पोटेंशियल फॉर वेल्थ क्रिएशन, तो उसमें इक्विटी का प्रोपोर्शन ज्यादा होगा, और जैसे हम बोले चाय की पत्ती का प्रोपोर्शन ज्यादा होगा, और दूध यानी जो फिक्स इनकम है उसका प्रोपोर्शन कम होगा. एंड ये सारों में आई थिंक ऑल्टरनेट जो इन लिक्विड्स की हम बात करते हैं, रियल एस्टेट हो या फिर प्राइवेट इक्विटी हो, तो दैट शुड बी अ स्पेयरिंग प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ द पोर्टफोलियो. एंड लास्टली जो गोल्ड होता है, वो जो एक इंश्योरेंस के तौर पे आप अपने पोर्टफोलियो में रखते हो, सो दैट इज द राइट कॉम्बिनेशन. और your right combination versus mine में बहुत अंतर होगा, so we cannot use a cookie cutter approach.
Right. So, if you'd like to discuss with us one mantra about wealth creation that you really want people to unlearn.
Unlearn वैसे तो बहुत सारे हैं, but I think the biggest I would say myth buster is multiple, but I think couple of things which clearly come to mind is, एक तो लोगों को लगता है यार मेरे पास केवल इतने ही पैसे हैं, सो इसका मैं क्या करूं या इसका मैं क्या करूंगी, तो इसको इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के बदले हम सेविंग्स में लगा देते हैं. So I think the biggest differentiator is that you need to understand the difference between investments and savings. एंड वेल्थ क्रिएशन की जर्नी के लिए केवल आप पैसे बचत में लगाओगे, जस्ट बचत करोगे तो नहीं होगा, निवेश करना बहुत जरूरी है. द सेम डिफरेंस एज वी से एप्पल एंड कस्टर्ड एप्पल, दोनों में एप्पल है, लेकिन कस्टर्ड एप्पल जो सीताफल होता है और जो एप्पल होता है, उनमें बोथ हैव डिफरेंट हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स. सो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच पीपल नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, imbibe, and then execute.
Oh, that's great. So, like, of course, you are a Bollywood fan, and, like, by creating Bollywood movies, you actually, to engage the audience, there is a mix of amalgamation of humor and then, drama, thrill. That's how audiences are engaged. So, for investors, how should they mix a blend of risk, diversification, and liquidity to create a winning portfolio?
आई थिंक जैसे बॉलीवुड पिक्चरों में यू हैव नॉट एवरी मूवी इज अ हैप्पी एंडिंग. जैसे फैमिली मूवीज में भी कभी कभी विलन हो जाता है, और कोई कोई पिक्चर दर पिक्चर देखी है आपने, जहाँ पे शाहरुख हीरो भी है विलन भी है. सो ऐसे मेटामॉर्फोस और ऐसे जो रोल्स होते हैं, वो कई किरदार होते हैं इन दी एसेट. जब आप एलोकेशन करते हो इन योर पोर्टफोलियो, तो यहाँ पे दैट राइट बैलेंस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ कि आपके पोर्टफोलियो में आपके रिस्क एपेटाइट के हिसाब से कितना झटका आप झेल सकते हो. which I call the shock absorber in the auto parlance. तो when you are creating a complete portfolio, तो केवल आप रिटर्न की तरफ झुकाव करोगे तो it will become a little bit monotonous. It can become dangerous for yourself. तो इसीलिए वो मिटिगेशन करने के लिए, जैसे अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि मेरा रिस्क एपेटाइट बहुत सारा है, कुछ भी आप उसमें कर सकते हो, इवन फॉर एन इन्वेस्टर लाइक मी, हम बोलेंगे 3 से 6 महीने का एक इमरजेंसी कॉर्पस रखिएगा विच विल बी लाइंग इन लिक्विड फंड. सो यू नो, इन मूवी पार्लांस, अगर मुझे एक जॉनर की पिक्चर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई लव कॉमेडीज, ऐसा मतलब नहीं कि आप थ्रिलिंग या फिर जो एक्शन पिक्चर ओरिएंटेड पिक्चर्स देखोगे ही नहीं, बिकॉज वो कॉम्बिनेशन अप्रोच जो है वो आपके पैलेट का, इन दिस केस आपके पोर्टफोलियो का संतुलन बनाए रखेगा.
Wow, that's a great take. So, which sector do you think is currently the doom rider, fast, exciting, and full of potential for investors to make money ahead long term?
So, you know, recently we've seen GST rationalization, काफी सारी राहत मिली हुई है, तो looks like consumption sector is going to be the Sartaj or Sultan as you call it for some time now. इससे क्या होगा, आपको GST के कटते ही जो अभी it is yet to be implemented, you are going to see disposable income. जो आप अगर 10 रुपया देते थे तो 10 में आप थोड़ा कम करके मे बी you'll give 8 rupees, 8.5 rupees, तो 1-1.5 रुपया जो है आपकी खाते में ज्यादा आ जाएगा. So it's a savings. So it is estimated from an economy perspective, India-wide, 1.5 to 2 lakh crores की savings हो जाएगी, and that is the power of the disposable income. So that is something we are very constructive on. Second is that ब्याज दरें हमको घटती हुई दिख रही है world over. US में भी we've seen just rate cuts. तो BFSI जो कि banking and financial services sector है, that is a sector also that we like. So I think these are the two key sectors. Of course, there are many others, but ये दो है हमको लग रहा है जो सिंघम और छावा का रोल निभाएंगे हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में आज की तारीख में.
Oh, great. So, very, very good analogy. So, just wanted to discuss what are the top 3 blockbuster investing principles that you would like to share with our new investors who are trying to create a rockstar portfolio.
So first and foremost, I would say start early. आप देखते हो whether it's in the game of badminton, whether it is in the game of tennis, या फिर even if you see Bollywood launches, you are seeing actors and actresses start early in life. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी करियर का ग्राफ बनने में टाइम लगता है. People don't get launched at the age of 50, for example. You can sustain a career and continue to do it. I'm not saying जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन है तो बिग बी है, आज भी he is acting and he is an icon, complete icon and a person to emulate. But starting early definitely helps. So आपकी investment की दुनिया में start early. Believe in the power of compounding. Compounding जो बोलते हैं, and I keep saying this to everybody, whoever I meet, is the 8th wonder of the world. If you understand it, you earn it. If you do not, you pay it. And last but not the least is have loads and loads of vitamin P, which is patience. Patience का पिल खाना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है मार्केट में. We are not in the Instagram की दुनिया, we are in the investment की दुनिया जहाँ पे instant gratification नहीं होगा. It is a slow brew. दाल मखनी रात को पका के सुबह खाते हो ज्यादा स्वाद होता है. So the investment portfolio has to be exactly like that.
Oh, that's such a beautiful take on instant gratification, which is, being done by Gen Z today. So, just a few rapid fire questions. Your take on Bollywood movies or, Bollywood line for the following scenarios.
Oh my God. Okay.
I think that's your expertise also. So, how about Indian economy in the current scenario?
Shensa.
Oh, okay. Why Shansha?
So I'll tell you, if you look at the world, as of now, India has not been the best performer, but the growth-wise, we are the fastest growing economy in the world, and that is the reason, Shansha.
Oh, great. So, how about timing the market? Investors are trying to time the market.
Gangs of Wasseypur देखी है? तो उसमें एक डायलॉग है, बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. So that is my view on timing. कि don't try to time the market, is time in the market and not timing the market.
Wow. People looking for overnight gains.
छिचोरे बनती. Don't do
Oh,
छिचोरे
God.
बनती. It's not required. Don't try to do ऐसे जो flip करने की कोशिश करते हैं. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Be a disciplined investor, वो बहुत जरूरी है.
So true. Long term health. So diversification.
हम साथ साथ हैं. So I think there is लोग बोलते हैं एक मैम में दो तलवार नहीं रह सकती. I would say हम साथ साथ है. It is a परोसा हुआ थाली. It has to be, you have to have carbs, proteins, fats, all of that in one plate.
Long-term wealth creation.
Karwa, it is a journey. You have to endure it. It is not a game of blitz chess. अगर chess की भाषा में हम बोले, it is more like a, I would say, long-term kind of a game. So it's a karwa, and जो आपको तय करना है along the market's
Right.
हलचल, and don't let your दिल की धड़कन rise with every movement in the market.
Great. So the one who stays longer
Perfect.
earns. So, Lakshmi, as Asia's one of the most influential women in asset management, how difficult it is to, rise at the top and stand out and shine?
I won't say it is easy, but I won't say it is extremely difficult. देखो, you have to make up your mind. And when you make up your mind कि आपको ये करना है, see, this is my passion, investments, and I tell people that, finance, food and films are the 3 Fs that I want to, I kind of relate myself to. मैंने LinkedIn में भी अपना tagline डाला हुआ है. And so therefore, it's the passion that lets you sustain. Have I had a complete cakewalk as far as my career is concerned? Answer is no. Life is always about kabhi khushi, kabhi gum. थोड़े फूल थोड़े कांटे, but that because every rose comes with a thorn. But आप कैसे you are able to weed out the thorns and focus on the flower. I think that is what has led me on. And kadam kadam badhaye ja. I think that is what is critical. There will be moments, and there will be moments in my life also which pull you down. But it is up to you to decide, and which is why I say that the determination is very, very important. If you get pulled down, it's very easy, वो सबसे आसान है. With the gravitational pull, नीचे जाना तो बहुत आसान है. But how do you resist the gravity and you push yourself up? I think that is very important.
Wow, must be very inspiring journey. Any advice that you'd, like to give to women leaders who want to rise that leadership role?
I would say that as you keep taking steps, first floor, second floor, third floor, the heartbeats will start rising, obviously, because जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर ऊपर जाते हो, ऑक्सीजन की कमी महसूस होने लगती है, and you will start palpitating. But I would say that don't quit. It is a journey that you have carved out for yourself, and in that journey, the only thing that matters is ride along, and you are able to see your destination from a distance. Keep imagining it and work towards it. Never quit. I think हमारे industry में, specifically in the financial services, and I'm not saying that it is not true elsewhere, but I can talk about financial services. We see that women start off enthusiastically, and जैसे जैसे mid level पे आते हैं, the tendency to break off or quit is very high for multiple reasons. Okay, it could be personal, it could be otherwise also. But I would say make things work. जब हम चोटी पे चढ़ते हैं तो we have oxygen cylinders. That's our support system. So get your support system together, and trust me, it is possible. It's just about the mental makeup. बहुत जरूरी है.
Wow, so thoughtfully said. Any mantra you would like to give for especially women in finance? Finance is a very male-oriented role, and to make and climb ladders for leaders, women leaders in finance. Any tips that you'd like?
I don't have any tips, but I would say that any profession is gender agnostic. Have you seen the movie Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl? तो उसमें एक डायलॉग है, जब प्लेन को फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसे कौन चला रहा है तो तुम्हें क्यों फर्क पड़ता है. I think that is so true for financial services. And I would say for any sector, it's about what you want to achieve and what you bring to the table. अगर आप conviction के साथ अपना content present करोगे, why will the world not listen? So I think it's about having the conviction, having the confidence, and marching on. तो लगे रहो is what my view is.
Wow, thanks a lot, Lakshmi. I think it was lovely having you over. What a perfect amalgamation of investment mantras, Bollywood tadka, and leadership. So thankful to you for having us graced this occasion, and kudos to you for your journey ahead.
Thank you so much.